This video quickly walks you through on how to copy Facebook video link and still share with people. The first step is to get to your Facebook mobile app. So look at mine here, I'll tap on it. Once the app opens, the next step is to get to the video you want to share. So the next step is to tap on the share icon. On doing that, you will see the section named copy link. Alright, tap on that. So now that the link has been copied, you can share it with people, maybe on WhatsApp, email, or so many other ways, all right? Or even as text message. So let's say I want to share it with somebody on Gmail. So I'll get to home, then I'll open my Gmail mobile application. Okay, so here am I. The next step is to tap on the compose button. On doing that, in the to section, type the email address of the person you want to contact or you want to send the link to. Alright, look at the email. As I'm typing it, it popped up because I've sent something to him before. So I will tap on it. Then tap inside the subject area and give it a link. Let's call this and give it a name. Let's call it the Facebook video link. Okay. So after typing the title or the subject of the video or the email you are sending, tap where you have compose email, then long press on a spot there, then select paste. So this is the link to that video. So the next step is to tap on send. So this link has been sent to him. So once he clicks on that, he'll be able to watch the video on Facebook. If this video helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, so subscribe to learn more. Okay, you can check this QR code here. You can scan it and check some of my books on Lulu and make a purchase on how to, complete some tasks in basic information technology. All right, so just make a purchase of any and it will be delivered to you. See you some other time.